Hello there guys, and welcome to this Budgie breeding update for the 21st of April 2017. Breeding season's going amazing. I've got lots of lovely chicks. I've got a couple I want to keep already, and here is a tour of all the nest boxes in the main area with chicks. So here we go guys, hope you enjoy. Here is the nest box inside the shed. Some lovely colours, beautiful chicks. And you might have seen the green chicks that I've had recently. Well, their mum's been busy and she's got even more chicks already. And speaking of green chicks, here's a box full of green chicks. And one looks like it could be purple. Here's some more freshly hatched chicks, keeping warm. And here's another lovely coloured chick. Here's some more eggs hatching. Well, there's at least one chick hatched already. And here's another box full of little chickies just hatched. So there you go guys, I've managed to rehome 20 chicks already. Got a few chicks almost ready to be rehomed, and I've got lots in boxes that are growing up quickly. So here's a little video for you guys. This is a collection of all the chicks that I've managed to hatch and successfully rehome so far this year guys. So there you go guys, Budgie breeding update. Look after yourselves guys, hope you've enjoyed it, and see you next time.